Have you ever lost your client because no one replied to them fast enough? It happens every day. People message businesses on WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, whatever gram, and when they don't get reply in few minutes, they just move on. But you know what? We can fix it. A lot of businesses and agencies, they waste hours a week on repetitive tasks and answering the same questions. Because in real estate, restaurants, and basically any other service business, clients always ask about prices, locations, availability. So the managers, they get overwhelmed, the messages pile up, and in this mess, the valuable leads are lost. I built custom assistants using AI, which can handle those messages automatically for you in English, German, French, whatever language your client speak. They will ask the right questions, collect all the details, and send the full lead information to the Google Sheets or your CRM. So basically every inquiry becomes a ready-to-call lead with zero manual work. Let me show you how it works. A client writes in Telegram or any other messenger, I'm looking for an apartment in Prague. The bot instantly replies, asking for the budget, number of rooms, and contact details. The client answers, and within seconds, all the information appears in Google Sheet or CRM automatically. The system understands the context, the language, and follows up naturally, just like the real assistant would. With this kind of automation, businesses save 5 to 10 hours a week and never lose a single client's message. It works 24/7, it adapts to your business processes, and you can scale it without hiring more people. And the best part is, it's built entirely without coding. If you would like to see how such an assistant can work for your business, click the link below and I will show you a personalized demo for your niche. Thank you for watching.